Yan. Grabe. Gusto niyo ba yung pagpilihan pa uli natin?
Ano, friend? Picture ako, friend, ha?
Ayan. So, picture na lalabas mo yan sa Antipolo Star.
Wala akong babat na.
Kailangan daw mo picture ng mga judges. Okay ba, judges? Huwag na? Ano ba? Sister John lang daw gusto niyo magpa-picture. Not Sir John John.
Ako pa picture ako.
Ay, Stan. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Stan. Sorry naman. Picture ulit.
Sir, dito. Picturean mo ako sa kanila. Akit ako. Sir, ano, friend, akit ako.
Ayan. Si Sir John na. Nasa-picture
Ay!
na.
Takot ako!
Ayan, may evidensya na tayo, ha? Kung sino talaga ang producer natin ngayon,
Tinapatan na.
si Sir John na. Si JC bakit ayaw mo mag-picture? Judges, if you want to indulge yourself and take a picture, please come forward. Any member of the audience would like to take a picture with our candidates, guys? Sir Earl, our sponsor. Sir Jolo. Anyone? Wala kong picture na. Nangyari ako dito. Okay, so habang tinatapulit, so akin na, sir.
Diyan, saan ko na sa'yo, tapos saan ko na na-screenshot.
Okay, so awarded na. So, okay, so. Thank you, judges, our sponsors for tonight's event. This is our first, definitely but not our last, series of Super Hot Bodies. So, yeah, and thank you, Sir Sherby, and he will be awarding our grant, Sir David Revilla and Sir John Chan. Lagi ko, Presidente, nakakalimutan mo, ikaw yung gusto mo yan eh. So the top, gusto mo, so kaya. Okay, so today, for the number I call, please put yourself in the middle and let's award the winner for second runner-up. The second runner-up is none other than candidate number 3, Paul Jinx Venturet. Congratulations, this award. Make your name. Okay. Yan, so lalabas siya sa Antipolo Star. Lalabas siya. Ate Pahina. Okay. Yan. Okay, let's go our first runner-up. Sino yung gusto yung manalo for first runner-up? Number 1, first runner-up. Number 2, number 3. Sino kaya? Let's go our first runner-up. It's none other than John Roy de la Paz. Palapakan po namin. And to award our first runner-up is Jolo Naudlan and Sir Lito Cinco. Lito Cinco. Okay, John. Yeah, thank you, John Roy. You'll be a good sport. And now for our winner. And thank you, sir. Thank you, John Roy. And our winner for tonight.
291.
Ano number yun? And the winner, when I call your name, palakpakan natin, you guys. You did great, all the great things. Thank you very much. It's you, Sebastian Daples, Skyway number 4. Ikaw yun. Nagtakapansya siya. Congratulations, thank you guys. Ayan, picture.